Hey guys, thanks for coming to today's video. So I finally got BOXYCHARM again. I signed up and I'm so excited. I took probably like 6 months off or something of subscription boxes. I thought we were going to be traveling and I just had a lot of makeup. So I was just like, you know what? Let me just stop getting subscription boxes for a while. But now I'm back. I got Ipsy, BOXYCHARM, and FabFitFun again. So I'm so excited. My BOXYCHARM came first. And weirdly enough, I got a surprise. So if you guys are interested in seeing all the stuff I got in my BOXYCHARM for September, let's get into the video. All right, so I signed up for the Boxy Luxe, which is the upgraded version, but they only do that every 3 months, I think. So 2 months you get the regular box, and then every third you get the Boxy Luxe, which is like, I want to say like 8 full-size products instead of like 5 products. And I think it's double the price. Instead of 25, it's like 50. But they said when you first sign up for it, you'll see 2 charges on your card and it just charges you like double. So somehow I got just the regular box and I was like, wait, isn't this month the Boxy Luxe box? So I looked it up and yes, it's supposed to be Boxy Luxe for September. So I was like kind of confused. And so I was looking into it and I ended up emailing them and saying like, hey, I signed up for the Boxy Luxe and only just got the regular box. And no one had gotten back to me yet. And then I think it was 2 days later, I got a Boxy Luxe in the mail. So I don't know how, I don't know what happened. I don't think I got charged for both boxes. I don't think I was supposed to get both boxes. I'm confused, but you know what? It's just more stuff, and September's my birthday month. Tomorrow is actually my birthday, the 13th. When you guys are watching this, my birthday will have passed, but I don't know. Thank you, BOXYCHARM, for the birthday present, I guess. If they contact me and say, hey, send it back or pay for it, I definitely will. But we're gonna open it in both boxes and see what's in both. All right, so let's start with the regular BOXYCHARM. Okay. So you have a little card thing in here, tells you what everything is. Let's see, first thing I see is this cargo little palette. It's the Nude Beach eyeshadow palette. So that looks nice. And this is normally $39.99. That seems expensive for this little palette, and there's not even a mirror. So what? Okay. I don't think I've ever had cargo eyeshadows before. Let me test some. Let's do this. That feels really nice. Okay, maybe that's why it's so expensive. I'm gonna put some on my eyeballs because I feel like the color of my makeup today is just a little weird. So maybe this will help. Just ruining my eyeliner though. Maybe that wasn't the best idea. Now I gotta fix it. Okay, hopefully that's mostly fixed. Sorry if it's not, but my lashes are in the way. But this, I mean, it does look really nice. Let's try this matte one. That looks really nice. Okay, so why didn't they just like spend a little more on the packaging? If you have really nice shadows, like that should be represented in your packaging. I don't know. I think I'll love this because I love neutral shades and these seem so creamy and nice. So that's awesome. Then I have one of these, which I don't love these things. It's a body wash infused buffer and it's in Freesia Pear. It's just, I mean, this one does smell a lot better than the one I got before. It's just not something I'm like so excited to get, you know, like it's a sponge. I don't know. It does smell really good though. That is normally $16. Then I have this Glam Glow. I love Glam Glow products. This is a Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. So that's really nice. How much is this? It's normally $54, so it's a really pricey moisturizer. It's green. It has like a nice light scent. I can't figure out what it smells like, but it's green. Ooh, it is very nice and moisturizing. It feels more like a gel serum formula than like a cream moisturizer. That's what I love. So I'm really excited about this, and it looks so pretty too. That green color, just their packaging is always really nice. Next, I have the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. This is normally $24. So let's see. So it's like a black packaging there. That looks really nice. Just a nice matte bronzer. So it's right there. You probably can't even see it, which that's usually a good sign. You don't want something that's so pigmented that you wipe it on and it's like an eyeshadow where it's just like this dark streak. So this looks really nice. I don't think I've ever had anything from this brand, so I'm excited to try that out. And the last thing in the regular BoxyCharm is this Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Brow Gel in the shade Herb. And this is normally $20. Ooh, yes, I'm gonna love this. I love things like this that kind of add fibers and like a little more texture to your brows, because I need all the help I can get. I don't have very many brow hairs and they're just kind of fine and little. So I think I'm really gonna love this. I love Milk Makeup. I feel like they're just like a really nice brand. So that's awesome. Okay, so that was everything for the BoxyCharm. Now let's get into the Boxy Luxe. Maybe I should wipe this off. Baby wipe. So convenient. So the BoxyCharm Luxe, you get a bigger card. And the first thing is this, the Queen Eloise, A Queen Lies in All of Us palette. This is normally $46. Come on, slide out. There we go. So that looks really pretty and colorful. Let's test some of these out. I haven't heard of this brand before, but this packaging definitely reminds me of, now I can't remember. There's a brand that does kind of queen-ish packaging, but they do a lot more like colors and stuff, but they're at Ulta now. All right, let's try this golden one. So they're not that like crazy pigmented. They feel creamy, but it just, ooh. Okay, I take that back. That was one swipe of that blue. That's pretty. Let's try this purple. That's pretty too, like an icy kind of lilac color. Let me try a matte shade. So there's a matte shade. It just didn't really go on that nice. Wasn't really that pigmented. Let me try this matte reddish color. Maybe a matte pink. Okay, the mattes are just kind of looking patchy and just not very, which again, swatching doesn't really tell you everything. It doesn't really tell you how it's going to apply on the eyes. Some things swatch beautifully and they just don't apply nice, and other things swatch horrible but they apply really nice. So that's just kind of a first impressions of the colors, but it does look really pretty, really nice, like jewel toned kind of colorful palette. So I'll have fun playing around with that. That looks really nice. The next thing is this Pure Complexion Authority brush set. So it's a 12-piece brush set, normally $49. I love getting brushes in these boxes because I don't like buying brushes. I don't know why. I just would rather get them sent to me in boxes like this. And these are so cute. They're pink. They're nice and soft, just pink with the little white end. Ooh, yes, there's quite a few like small brushes, like kind of teeny tiny eye brushes. That's the thing I feel like a lot of kits are missing. They give you like 2 giant eyeshadow brushes and that's it. And it's like, well, how are you gonna, what are you gonna do with that? Like, you need to get in there and like sometimes do a little more detail. So I really appreciate when they give you like this many options for smaller eye brushes. And it looks like a bigger like powder brush. Very nice. And probably a like foundation kind of brush. And maybe like a highlight or blush brush. So that looks really nice in this little cute case. It's probably going to get dirty pretty quickly if you actually use it, but it's still really cute. I love having things like this for traveling because then your brushes don't get smashed and just making everything dirty. So that's awesome. The next thing, let me get this out of the way. The next thing is this Byrod New York Tomato Serum. This is normally $150. Wow, that does look expensive. Let's see what this feels like. Oh, it is like thick. It's like staying in like a little bubble. It's like kind of like honey. It's like if you do a drop, it kind of just sits there in a drop. It actually kind of smells like tomato. Oh. Why do I keep touching everything on my nose? It feels so nice. What is it supposed to do? It says it's a powerful treatment that contains gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptides. It transforms your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. So I want all those things. I hope this works. But yeah, it looks so pretty. I love that bottle. And like, it looks like a golden like serum kind of like, ooh, I don't know. Next is this Persona Cosmetics Season 1 lip gloss. And this was normally $16. And this is the shade Toffee. So that looks pretty. That looks really nice for fall. Kind of matches what I'm wearing. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a vanilla cupcake. Yes. That shade definitely does look like toffee. Feels really nice and not sticky. That's really nice. I like that. And just the smell, yes. Next I have the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. This is exciting. I don't have any highlighters from Fenty. So let's see. This was $36. And this is the shade Kilowatt. So I love the packaging. Just the shape of it is really nice. So that is what it looks like. So this is definitely more of like a blush topper than just like a highlight because of how like pink it is. I would prefer like a more golden tone, but it's still really pretty. Okay, then we have some more skincare stuff. I have these 111 Skin Harley Street London Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment masks. Sheet masks? That was a mouthful. This is normally $135. What? For how many? There's 5 in here. 5 sheet masks for $135. What kind of sheet mask is this? Like, I would never pay that much for sheet masks, but that's why these boxes are so nice, because you get to try these like crazy expensive things for such a cheap price. But it says it diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, reinforces and protects skin barrier, rejuvenates and nourishes, 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten and even skin tone. So it sounds like a lot of great stuff, but like that is expensive. Then we have this Cara Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. This is normally $24. I love conditioning masks. They're always something that I need. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells really nice. Yep, I'm excited to use this. I love a good hair mask. I just like trying out different ones too. Okay, the last thing in the box is this Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. I've never seen a weighted sleep mask. I've seen weighted blankets. I've always been curious about them, but I have never bought one. So this is normally $40, and it says it uses the same science behind the gravity weighted blanket to give your face the perfect pressure stimulation. It blocks out light and feels amazing thanks to a combination of gray micro plush and imitation cashmere. Where did this hair just come from? So that's interesting. I'm not like a sleep mask kind of person usually, but maybe I'll use this one because it's weighted. Let's see. See how it feels. Okay, I can see how it would be relaxing. And it's so soft. It is so soft. I think I might actually use this. And it's kind of making me want a weighted blanket. So that's really cool that you get something like this. It's so different and just, you know, who would have thought to get a weighted sleep mask? All right, that is my big 2-box BOXYCHARM haul. I'm so excited to use all this stuff after not having subscription boxes for so long. It's kind of like, you know, like, ooh, I get so much stuff. That is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I do 3 videos a week, and I'd love to have you part of my little YouTube fam. Also, ring the little notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.